Hello children, welcome back to APS online classes, grade 5 English, myself Kavita Reddy. Already in previous class we have completed lesson 1 or unit 1, a bottle of dew. Now let me start with the textbook, page number 15. Better you keep textbook in front of you children and hold the pencil. Wherever I say you to tick it or mark it, just do it with the pencil so that it will be easy for you. You can complete the work, whatever is there in the textbook itself. No need to write in the assignment, okay? So you have to take the pencil, keep the textbook in front of you. Just you can tick it with a pencil. Let me go from the page number 15. I'm going to start from the page number 15. So you to open the page number 15, hold the pencil in your hand. First, comprehension, right? Comprehension 1A. Read the story and circle the best answer. That is the heading. Now I am going to read the sentence. First one. Ramanatha did not work on his father's land because three options are there. You have to choose any one correct answer. A. He didn't know how to grow crop. B. He was trying to find another way of becoming rich. C. He was studying to become a scientist. Now I think you have guessed the answer. What you have guessed is correct. It is B. First one is B. Answer, he was trying to find another way of becoming rich. So you can tick it in the book directly. B is the right answer for first sentence. Once again I am going to read it. Ramanathan did not work on his father's land because answer is he was trying to find another way of becoming rich. Now second question is that why did Ramanatha feel lucky when he met Mahipati? Right, that is the question. Question number 2. Now let me read all three options. Then you can go with any one correct answer. First one is Mahipati had traveled to the Himalayas. B. Mahipati stayed in their town. C. Mahipati knew of a way to turn things into gold. Why did Ramanatha feel lucky when he met Mahipati? He thought that he can turn the things into gold. He can prepare potion by using dew or converting dew into potion. So answer will be C. Next I'll go with third question, sentence. What did Madhumati do to help Ramanatha? First one, option A, she gave money. B, she sold their crop each year. C, she sometimes collected the dew. Right, what you guess is correct answer? That is B. She sold their crop each year. So first one is B, second one is C, third one is B. Now let me go with fourth one. I'm going to read it. Choose the best message for the story. A option, you can't trust old or famous people. B, you need to make an effort to succeed. C, you don't have to work to become rich. What is the correct answer? Yes, what you guessed is right. You need to make an effort to succeed. That is B. So please children, do it in the textbook itself. No need to write once again in the assignment. So first answer is B, second is C, third is B, fourth is B. Now let me go with B. Second B. Read these lines from the story and answer the questions is there. I can't explain it briefly. Just I am going to give short answers for this one. Later we'll be sending these answers in the PDF format, right? First one. Yes, in my travels in the Himalayas, I heard how you could make such a potion, but it is a difficult process. Who said these lines? Sage, right? Sage said it. Who was he talking to? Ramanatha. Then what was the process? Process was nothing but he has to work in his field by his own hands. He has to grow banana trees. And from the leaves he has to collect the dew and he has to bring it and give to the sage. So that sage will convert it into potion. That was the process. Do you think it was actually a difficult process? According to my knowledge, it's not a difficult. Okay, give reason for your answer. Next question. Second one, this is cheating, he told the sage. I have wasted 6 precious years of my life. Right? Who said these lines? What is the speaker talking about? Already we know that these lines are said by Ramnatha. What is the speaker talking about? He is talking about, like, what he has done means he has chanted, he is going to. What is the speaker talking about means, first of all, who said these lines means Ramnatha. What is the speaker talking about? What you said, it couldn't happen there. Right? This is what he want to say. Whatever he brought the portion and gave, he couldn't convert it into portion. Right? The due, whatever he gave it, he couldn't convert it. How was this a cheating according to the speaker means? That's what. He said he is going to chant some mantras, but it didn't turn into portion. Do you think the speaker really wasted 6 years of his life? Give reason for your answer. No. In return, he understood the value of life, and even he earned huge gold coins by doing hard work. Right? Next, comprehension 2 is also same. Question answers are there. Next, I'll go with vocabulary. Vocabulary A. Replace the underlined words or phrases using suitable words or phrases from the box. Then write the sentence. What you have to do already, they gave here 7 options. First one is sage, second one is in dismay, third one is astonished, fourth one is paupers, fifth one is transformed, sixth one is glints, seventh one is tended. Now I'll be reading sentence and I'll be saying the answer. Please stick it in the textbook itself. The diamond in the queen's crown reflects the light brightly. Already they have underlined the sentence, reflects the light. What is the answer? Reflect the light means brighten. That is glints. Please write in front of the glints 1. Second one, Samad was surprised to see a new bicycle at the door in the morning. Second one is surprised. Instead of surprise, what you can write? Astonished. Astonished. Please mark it as second one as astonished. Third one, years of hard work has changed him into a successful businessman. What they have underlined here? Change. Instead of change, what you can replace? Transform. It is in the book. Just write it in the book itself or write the number. Next, fourth one. The Indian cricket team was upset after they lost the T20 World Cup in 2016. That is fourth one. Instead of upset, what you can write? In dismay. IN DISMAY. Please children, once again I am repeating it. You write down in the textbook directly. Next, fifth one. We should be kind to poor people who often have to live on the streets. Here poor means, what is the meaning of this one? Fifth one is pauper. Poor means pauper. Please tick it paupers. Next, after sixth one, after everyone else failed to explain the meaning of the king's dream, he went to a very wise man to find answers. Very wise man. Sixth one. Pati is sage. Next, last seventh one. After the doctors took care of the injured man. Took care. What is the answer? Took care means tended. Tended. Now, once again, I am going to repeat this answer. Please stick it in the book itself directly. First one, reflects the light means glints. GLINTS. Second one, surprise. Surprise means astonished. Third one, upset, transformed. Fourth one, it is upset, in dismay, and third one is changed, transformed. Fifth one, poor, that is paupers. Sixth one, wise, a very wise man is none other than Mahipati in the lesson. He is the sage. Seventh one, took care of, it is tended. Now let me go next with phrasal verbs. Please underline the definition itself. Phrase verbs that are formed by combining a main verb and a preposition or an adverb are called phrasal verbs. Now, here some examples are given. I'll be reading it. Wake up, turn on, turn off, look after. Each phrasal verb has its own meaning. It is important to learn them because they are very common in our day-to-day life. So here few examples are given. I'm going to read it. Just check it in the book. Call off means cancel. Find out, discover. Look after, take care of. Work out, exercise. So let me go with the match the following. B. So B bit, it's match the following. Just you can write directly in the textbook by using pencil. So B bit, first one, page number 17. But Ramanathan did not spend even one day looking. What you guessed is correct. Answer is after his land. What is the first answer? After his land. Second one, there exists a magic potion which, if touched to any object, turns it into gold. Third one, he did not give up. What is the answer? Please tick it in the market or tick it in the book itself, children, or write the numbers over there. Try it. Fourth one, try it. Answer is out. So first one is after his land. Second one into gold. Third one up. Fourth one out. Now let me go with C. Page number same 17. Write the phrasal verb from exercise B next to their definitions. Right? Dash turn to change or transfer someone or something. What you have guessed? Turn into. Right. First one you can write turn into. Second one, this is first. Let me go with second one. Dash to take care of someone or something. Look after. Look after. Third one. Dash to stop doing something, to stop trying. Give up. Give up. Please write in the directly in the textbook itself by using pencil. Next, dash to use something and see if it works. Try out. Try out. Now these are the four answers for the page 17 and C bit. First one is turn into, second one is look after, third is give up, and fourth is try out. Next you can turn the page. Page number 18. D bit. Complete the sentence using the phrasal verbs in the box. So options are there here. Just once I'll be reading the options. You can put the glance. Take off, look for, turn up, got up, give up, put off, look after, broke down. These are the options given. So you have to write in the middle of the sentence wherever they give the dash. First one, let me start with first. D. This is the prayer room. Please dash your shoes outside. What you guess? Yes, what your guess is correct? Take, take off. First one is take off. Second one, could you please dash the volume? I can't hear anything at all. What your guess? It is turn up. Turn up. Next. Third one, we had to dash our plan for a picnic. It started raining so heavily. Put off. So whatever you have planned, it couldn't. So you have to cancel. Put off. Fourth one, we might fail at times, but we must never dash. You should not become upset. What you have to do instead of that, you have to try once again. That means give up. Okay. You should not be upset. You have to try once again. Fifth one, I have lost my favorite pen. Will you help me? Dash it. Dash it. What you can write it? Look for. Look for. This is fifth one. Next, sixth one. My parents are out of town. I must dash my dog while they are away. What you are going to do? You have to look after, right children? So you have to look after. Next, seventh one. I am feeling very sleepy. I dash very early today. So what you will do? You have to write got up. You have got up early, so you are in sleepy mode or drowsy mode, right? Next, eighth one. My father's car dashed this morning, so we had to walk to school. What you can write here? Broke down. Broke down. So once again you can check the answers. Let me read page number 18. Just you can write it there only. David, first one. This is the prayer room. Please take off your shoes outside. Second, could you please turn up the volume? I can't hear anything at all. Third one, we had to put off our plan for a picnic. It started raining so heavily. Fourth one, we might fail at times, but we must never give up. Fifth one, I have lost my favorite pen. Will you help me? Look for it. Sixth one, my parents are out of town. I must dash my dog while they are away. Look after. Seventh one, I am feeling very sleepy. I got up very early today. Eighth one, my father's car broke down this morning, so we had to walk to school. So this is what we have completed. That is bit D. Now let us go with the grammar part in the same page 18. Just you can underline whatever I am saying. It is already in the book. Just see it properly. Grammar. Countable and uncountable. Now you can underline it. We know that countable nouns are nouns that can be counted. 5 apples, 2 hands, 3 biscuits, 1 chair. Right? Already they have given it. Uncountable nouns that cannot be counted, like water, air, oil, tea, etc. When we ask a question about quantity, we use how many for countable nouns and how much for uncountable nouns. How many apples are there in the bag means it is like countable nouns. How much oil is in the bottle? It is uncountable. So let us go with the exercise, that is A, page number 19, A bit. Use the pencils you write in the textbook. Now page number 19, right? Complete Saroja's mother's questions with much or many. Already I informed you, much means uncountable, many means countable. How many books you have? It can be counted. How much water you have, or how many bottles of water you have? Bottles can be counted, but water can't be counted. So page number 19, A bit, you can write directly answers. Saroja, how dash ghee do we have in the fridge? What you can write here? Much. Already I informed you, many means countable, much means uncountable. So you write the answer in the directly the textbook. That is much. First one is much. Second one, and how dash paneer is there? How much? Third one, can you look in the fruit bowl now? How dash bananas do we have? How many? Already I said you which can be counted. We can write many. Which you can't count, you have to use much. Next fourth one, and how dash mangoes are there? Even you can count the mangoes. You write how many. So first one is much. Second is also much. Third is many. Fourth is also many. How many means countable. How much means uncountable. Right, children? Next we will go with the definition is there. Before that, once again, it's clearly they have given. When we want to talk about a quantity of uncountable nouns such as water, oil, or tea, we use a special word for a part of that thing or for the container. A piece of cake, because it is a part of the cake, right? A slice of watermelon, even it is a very big watermelon, you can cut it and you can do it into slices. So here they give a slice of watermelon, a glass of water, a bowl of rice. Now let me go with the B. Find the sentence in the story and complete the missing words. So we will find the sentence in the story. Already we have learned the story. I explained it. Find the sentence in the story and complete the missing words. First one, same page number 19. Find the sentences in the story and complete the missing words. A dash, first one, dash. This potion will transform any object into gold. What you can write it? A drop of potion. It was the funny idea of Ramnada, right? Second sentence, it will take me years to collect dash dew. Dew is nothing but it is collected on the leaf in winter season. That he has to collect and bring. Who has to collect and bring? Ramnada. Who gave this one idea? Sage. Mahipati. So 5 liters of dew. Next, C bit. Jimmy is a 7-year-old boy. He is off to school. Complete the passage with suitable words from the box. Already 9 options are given. Let me read the sentence, then we can write the answers easily. Or first I am going to read the options itself. First one packet, second one glass, third one bottle, fourth one slice, fifth one jar, sixth one cup, seventh one piece, eighth one bar. Okay, I'll be reading the passage. Wherever dashes are there, I'm going to write that particular word. Please note it in the book. Jimmy has a bottle of milk with honey every day in the morning. Jimmy has a bottle. First dash, you have to fill it as bottle. Second, he usually adds a few spoons from the dash of honey kept on the dining table. He usually adds a few spoons from the jar. What is that? Jar, jar. Today he also had a dash of bread and an egg along with the milk. Today he also had a slice. A slice of bread and an egg along with the milk. But he took only a dash of chips and a dash of juice for his lunch. What you can write? But he took only a packet packet of packet of chips and a glass of juice for his lunch. His mother asked him to have a dash of cake and a dash of milkshake from the school canteen. What his mother said, Jimmy mother, even his mother asked him to have a piece of cake and a cup of milkshake from the school canteen. After glass, we can write piece. Piece. Piece of cake and a cup of milkshake from the school canteen. Okay. She also reminded him about the dash of chocolates in his pocket. She also reminded him about the dash of chocolates. You'll be eating chocolates now. So it is bar of chocolate in his pocket. Jimmy waved at her before he boarded his school bus and asked her not to worry. So this is what. Now let me complete full passage with the answers itself. You once check it whether you have written correct or no. Jimmy has a bottle of milk with honey every day in the morning. He usually adds a few spoons from the jar of honey kept on the dining table. Today he also had a slice of bread and an egg along with milk. But he took only a packet of chips and a glass of juice for his lunch. His mother asked him to have a piece of cake and a cup of milkshake from the school canteen. She also reminded him about the bar of chocolate in his pocket. Jimmy waved at her before he boarded his school bus and asked her not to worry. This is the passage from page 19. Save it. We have completed it. Next, turn the page. Page number 20. Subject verb agreement. Now let me read. You can underline there itself. A singular subject is always followed by a singular verb. My uncle is a doctor. Is a singular. In this sentence, the singular subject, my uncle, is followed by the singular verb is. A plural subject is always followed by a plural verb. My parents are teachers. My parents is teacher. No, because they are parents. So are. In this sentence, the plural subject, my parents, is followed by the plural verb are. In the present tense, we add s to third person singular verbs. My uncle works, he works. My mother works, she works. The computer works, it works. Now let me start with the debate. Just you can write directly in the textbook, children. Page number 20. Exercise D. Circle the correct verb form to complete the sentences. Right? First one, Ashok play or plays cricket every day after school. Ashok is singular, so we have to use verb here. Plays. You can circle it directly in the textbook. Second one, my sister likes or like singing and dancing. Sister here singular, so you have to go with likes, likes. Third one, Mr. and Mrs. Murthy usually go to Kerala for their holidays. Both here, Mr. and Mrs. both are there, so you have to go with go. Next, fourth one. This computer cost too much money. We can't buy it. Computer, so it is single. You can go with costs. Fifth one. Avneet and Kirat help their parents with the housework. Avneet and Kirat both are there. So you go with singular help. Sixth one. The test where or was difficult. The test, only test they gave. So it was test was difficult. The test was difficult. First one, Ashok plays cricket every day after school. First one. Second, my sister likes singing and dancing. Third one, Mr. and Mrs. Murthy usually go to Kerala for their holidays. Fourth one, this computer costs too much money. We can't buy it. Fifth one, Avneet and Kirat help their parents with the housework. Sixth one, the test was difficult. So page number same 20. If it is there, if it. Again and again I am repeating it, children. Please use the pencil to write in the reader. Directly you can write the answers. Complete the sentence with using is, are, was, were, have or has. So first one, Shweta dash doing her homework at the moment. What you can write? Shweta was, it's wrong. Then what you are going to write? Shweta is doing her homework. Second one, Neha and Bela dash just come back from their holiday. What you have guessed? Correct, have. Next, I dash in bed when the phone rang. It is past tense. What you can say it was. Fourth one, my brother dash passed all his exams. What you are going to has. HAS has. My brother has. Next, fifth one, our teachers dash having a meeting in the classroom, so I couldn't go in. Where? Because there are teachers, right? Next, sixth one, we can't go out because we dash studying for an important test. We are there, so you have to use are. Now let me repeat once again. Shweta is doing her homework at the moment, that is present tense. Neha and Bela have just come back from their holiday. Third one, I was in bed when the phone rang. Fourth one, my brother has passed all his exams. Fifth one, our teachers were having a meeting in the classroom, so I couldn't go in. Sixth one, we can't go out because we are studying for an important test. Next, page number 21, that is language skills. Syllables. What is a syllable? Syllable is a unit of pronunciation that contains a single vowel sound. A word can be made up of one or more syllables. For example, I'll be giving one example for you. If you answer twice, you are right. This happened because the word paper has two syllables. Just you repeat with me back of this. Try this. Put your hand under your chin and say the word paper. How many times did your chin drop? Yes. If it has twice or two times, then it has two syllables. A syllable is a unit of pronunciation that contains a single vowel sound. A word can be made up of one or more syllables. So here, exercise has been given. We'll do that. Page number 21. Page number 21. Say these words and clap once for each syllable in a word. If one syllable is there, means you have to clap only once. One syllable, clap once. For example, cat, chair, sky, house. All these are one syllable. Two syllables means poem, table, bottle, pencil. Three syllables means computer, computer. Right? Beautiful. Syllable, syllable, India. So these are like this. Examples have been given here. Let me go with see it in the textbook. You can write one syllable. Already they gave options. Syllabus you can refer in the book directly, no need to write, just you can fill up those columns, right? To make you clear, so I am writing it, you can write directly in your book. Syllable, here one syllable because here only one is there, so I didn't add yes for this one. So what you can write from this, you can choose from the options given above. So you can write first one cup, second one piece, third one plant, fourth one play. So even you can write directly in your reader. Already everything is there for you. No need to draw any columns and all. Picture, village, orange. Next fourth is sentence. Sentence. Next three syllables. Animal, understand, adventure, next horrible. So this is the table for page number 21. Save it. Even you can write it. Already options are given. So next class we are going to discuss with the poem Friends. Okay children, thank you.